San Pedro is a neighborhood within the city of Los Angeles, California. Formerly a separate city, it consolidated with Los Angeles in 1909. San Pedro lies in the southern part of Los Angeles County. San Pedro is approximately 44 minutes, 24.0 miles, south of downtown Los Angeles, and is part of the South Bay region. San Pedro is at the neighborhood fronts on the Pacific Ocean to the south and is bounded inland by Harbor City area and City of Torrance on the north, Wilmington area and City of Long Beach on the east, City of Rancho Palos Verdes and City of Lomita on the west. San Pedro, Wilmington, and Terminal Island are the locations of the Port of Los Angeles. San Pedro is a south segment end for both Freeway 110 and Freeway 213. Along 28th Street, between Gaffey Street and Peck Avenue, is a steep section of public roadway. For about 50 feet, 15 m, the street climbs at a 33.3% angle. Gaffey Street and Pacific Avenue are the main streets of San Pedro for a major business, retailers, and restaurants area. San Pedro is currently known for the LA World Cruise Center, cruise terminals, and ferry service stop of Catalina Express. There are also several LA tourist attractions like the Battleship Iowa Museum, the Point Fermin Lighthouse, the Korean Bell of Friendship, and San Pedro Fish Market and Restaurant. The Point Fermin Lighthouse, a Victorian-era structure built in the late 19th century, is a museum and park on a bluff overlooking the ocean. The Korean Bell of Friendship is a massive bronze memorial bell donated by South Korea in 1976 to the people of Los Angeles. San Pedro Fish Market and Restaurant since 1956, a tourist destination, which provided waterfront eatery, was demolished in 2023 to make way for West Harbor, a major waterfront food hall and entertainment park under development, slated to open in 2025. Visitors can drive through two bridges, the Vincent Thomas Bridge and Gerald Desmond Replacement Bridge, to view the nearby Terminal Island, historically known as Isla Raza de Buena Gente. Terminal Island is a largely artificial island located between the neighborhoods of Wilmington and San Pedro, and the city of Long Beach. Terminal Island is roughly split between the Port of Los Angeles and Port of Long Beach. The Vincent Thomas Bridge is a 1,500-foot long, 457 m, suspension bridge linking San Pedro with Terminal Island and named after California Assemblyman Vincent Thomas. It is the fourth longest suspension bridge in California. Nearby is the Battleship Iowa Museum and Attraction, and the Los Angeles Maritime Museum. The Gerald Desmond Replacement Bridge is to replace the old 1961, and now spans the Port of Long Beach's back channel with a deck rising 205 feet above the water. The sleek, cable-stayed bridge includes additional traffic lanes, a higher clearance to accommodate larger cargo ships, and a dedicated bicycle path and pedestrian walkway, including scenic overlooks. With two towers reaching 515 feet into the sky, it is the second tallest cable-stayed bridge in the United States.